Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to do another unboxing, and this time is the Samsung Galaxy J3 Orbit. Now this is the cheapest Samsung you can find on Amazon, and you can see the price here, $44.99. So basically it's a cheap Samsung with 5-inch HD screen, 16 gigabytes of internal memory, and straight out of the box we're gonna have Android 8 Oreo. Now this has a SIM card included, and it's a carrier locked device, so you can use it only in one carrier. But the main thing is this, $45 for a brand new smartphone. And if you live in the United States, I would say this is a great deal. Okay, the box. Okay, so it's kind of difficult to open. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there we have the Net 10 manual. So, piensa aquí. Okay, so this is in Spanish and in English. Start here. Okay, so this is well packaged, but I don't believe that this is new. But anyway, let's see. Or maybe this is the original packaging. Okay, so we have Guida de Servicio here. Books, a lot of books, manual. Okay, and what is this? Okay, so we have a standard USB cable. This is type A to micro. We also have a charging brick. So I believe that this phone is second-handed because this cable is not original, but anyway, we can use our own cable. And let's just open this battery here. This is wrapped in a bubble package and it's good. So we have a SIM card already installed, and the model of the phone is, I already told you it's J3, but it is SM5367VL. So it's J3 Orbit. I'm not understanding this package. This charger is not the original one, but this has a pre-installed logo, and I believe that this phone is new now. I don't really know. Let's look at the back plastic. Okay, so basically this is like J2 Pro. Let's try removing the plastic a little. Okay. Okay, so let's put everything back to the box and wait for the phone to turn on. Okay, so we don't have a lot of battery, but I'm gonna start anyway. So let's skip everything, accept, and go to the menu. Okay, all done. Okay, so let me just charge up the phone and put some informations in, and we're gonna look through it. Okay, so I just put my information on the phone and left it to charge a little bit. Now I've installed social apps here. As you can see, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, TikTok, some Amazon apps, Pinterest, Skype, and Viber. Now, storage in this device is 16 gigabytes. Now, with all of these apps, we have occupied almost 9 gigabytes, meaning that we have still some memory left. We see here about phone, J3 Orbit, and Android version is Android 8 with a Samsung experience of 9.0. Now let's look at the phone real quick. We have the basic toggles here. This supports Dolby Atmos. We have hotspot, power saving mode, flashlight, etc. Now go to settings. Here on connections, we see here sound and vibration. Yeah. We have only one speaker here, but it's loud enough. See what else. This is just basic functions of it's fast. Look here. This is pretty smooth, pretty fast. It's cloudy. Now let's open the camera app and go to settings. We have 8 megapixels with a ratio at 4:3, and we have a video size, video quality up to full HD. So functions here are full screen, flashlight, settings. If we swipe to the left, we see some other functions here, and if we swap to the right, we're going to see the filters. You can put some other stuff here. Okay, so basically this is it. I mean, this is about the camera. Now, final thought of this device, I would say that this is a win-win situation here. We see that we have a phone with 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of storage, and 4G capability on the network. And for a price of $45 US, it's amazing. I mean, just basically this feels like a J3 of 2017 or even a J5. I would say it's a J5. So yeah, this is a win here, guys. I would totally recommend you buy this one. Now I will try to do on a separate video, I will try to do some testing here with the camera of this device and some photos. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.